Ever felt like herding cats while trying to add a single folder to your meticulously organized GitHub repository? I'm here to guide you through the process, ensuring your project stays clean, organized, and headache-free in under 90 seconds. First, navigate to your local repository folder in your terminal or command prompt. Use the cd command followed by the path to your repository. For example, cd documents. My project now. Make sure the folder you want to add is actually inside your local repository directory. If not, move it there now. Next, use the git add command followed by the name of the folder. For instance, git add new folder. This stages the folder and its contents for commit. Then, it's time to commit your changes. Use the git commit command with the flag followed by a descriptive message in quotes explaining what you're adding, such as git commit and adding new folder with initial files. Finally, push your local changes to the remote repository on GitHub with the git push origin main command. This uploads the new folder and its contents to your GitHub repository. Now, go back to your GitHub repository online and check to see if the folder has been added. Congratulations, you've successfully added a folder to your GitHub repository. For optimal organization, keep your folders logically named and structured, and commit frequently with clear messages. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Git tips and tricks.